Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Mike's Diner. I'm Chef Mike. It's been a while, hasn't it? I got something easy for you today. This is homemade salsa, and it can't be done any easier than this. Anybody can do this. It's at every store wherever you live, and I'm going to show you the ingredients right now and show you what it's all about. The first thing you want to do is you want to get 3 of these cans right here. See the size of it? And it's stewed tomatoes. But on the bottom it says Mexican style. All that means is you're going to have some herbs and some peppers that's inside the stewed tomatoes. The other thing we have over here is we have a bushel of green onion that we're going to be cutting down. Then we have a bushel of cilantro that we're going to be cutting down. And that's all going to go in the blender. We're also going to throw a scoop of minced garlic inside the blender, inside that mixture. Now come on and take a look at this, Matty boy. So I like to do 5 yellow chilies and 3 green jalapenos. And you just kind of move them around, you cook them over the flame. But every once in a while when it's that dry, I like to put a little bit of water. It does 2 things. It keeps it from burning, and it makes your house smell fantastic. I mean, people are going to come in right now in about an hour and they're going to be like, God, it smells good in here. That's because these chilies are roasting and the smell's going throughout the house. So anyway, that's it. That's all the ingredients you need. And I tell you what, when people eat your salsa, they're going to be like, dang, that tastes really good. How did you do that? So anyway, we're going to give this about 10 or 15 minutes to cook down, and then we'll be right back. Hey guys, come on, take a look at this now. They've been cooking for about 5 minutes. You can see how they're starting to cook down, how they're starting to, I call it the shrivel look. See how that's coming in a little bit right there? That's kind of what you want. You want to keep turning them so they're all cooked evenly as you can. And what I like to do is, I usually get it started a little bit. I can go ahead and put a can in. And then I can grab a handful like that. And then I can come back with another can. And then put that spoonful in that I was telling you about. Pretty good spoonful, see that? Not bad, huh? But you don't need anything else. That's all you need. We could go ahead and hit that on chopped salsa. Okay, that's good for now. And now we made room for all these chilies, the rest, the 1 can. We're good to go. Maddie, come take a look at this real quick. Okay guys, we're pretty close for it being done. So what I like to do about this point, you can see it's dry. You can see them all tapering down and kind of shrinking, and they've been cooked all the way around. What I do now is just turn off that flame. And I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes for it to cool down a little bit. And also as it's cooling down, what I've learned is that they kind of just go into themselves. See how that kind of shrinks a little bit, the whole body? You could see that it's all cooked really good. That way it's easier to cut, it's easier to blend. You don't want it, you know how they are when we first put it in. You don't want it like that. It needs to be soft so it's workable. And remember, you're touching chilies. Don't take your hands and scratch your face. Don't touch your eyes. Don't do any of that because you're going to feel it later. If you have to move it around, that's fine. But remember, when you're done, you need to get over there and wash your hands with soap. Okay? So this looks pretty good. What we'll do now, I'm going to come over here. Put my chilies down there. And here's what I do, guys. I cut in the middle. My wife likes taking off that skin right there. I don't. I like keeping everything as is. I cut it on both sides to have that kind of effect. Just to help with getting pushed through the blender real well. That side, that side. It's just, I find it's easier to mix. And see those seeds at the end? I like that. I don't want to get the root, but I'll get all those seeds because that's what's going to help with having the spice. Okay. Now we come over here. Let's get that last bit in there. Look at all that chili. Look at all that beautiful chili getting in there. Is that nice or what? Just like that. And you can kind of help it down in there a little bit because you've already mixed that bottom portion. Okay, like that. And then you're going to do that last can. Remember, 3 cans. You say, Chef Mike, all the way to the top. You dang right, all the way to the top. That's how we do it here. Put that top on. Give it one more good blend all the way around. You can see the seeds, the cilantro, the green onion, all mixing. You can even take a look at it if you want. Okay, I got one stewed tomato that said, no, I don't want to go down there. Actually, that's not too bad. All right, make sure you unplug it because you don't want to hit that like that, right? What do you think will happen? Bring it over here. Let's say you just made tacos. How long did that take, you guys? That was nothing. Give it a final mix. And then check it out. Look at that. Not too thick, not too thin. What about you, producer? Get over here. Pretty good? You can wave the camera. That's it, guys. Easy salsa. 15 minutes, 20. The key is organization. 3 cans. Stewed tomato. Look for the Mexican recipe or any kind of spices that you see in the stewed tomatoes. Get yourself 5 yellow chilies and 3 jalapenos. What else did we have? Minced garlic. Good spoonful. Green onion. Cilantro. Put it all together. There you go. All you need now is a couple tacos and a cold beverage. It's easy, it's quick. People will think, oh my God, where did you do this? What did you put in here? And look how easy it is. It's nothing. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate subscribers. I know it's been a while. My son gets out of school June 20th, so expect. We got one more that we're going to do probably tomorrow or the next day. And then when he comes back, we're going to get out on that taco grill. I also have a smoker, and we're going to tackle some ribs on that smoker. So appreciate all your subscribings and the comments. If you want me to cook you something special, put it in the comment. We'll go for that. That's about it. Till we see you again. Appreciate you. Bye-bye.